these principles and these tools, you can apply them to any area in your life. Today, we're just gonna bring it in a fitness aspect. Oh, what's good? What's good? You already know what time it is. Fitness Gems Unlocked. Let's get down to it. I hope everybody's doing great this week. You're taking care of yourself. You're taking care of your health. All right. Let's get right to it. Our video today, we're gonna break down 6 stages of behavior change. Specifically, we're gonna work on taking a negative behavior and transitioning into a positive one. All right. So again, everything we talk about in this group, you can apply to your fitness, you can apply to your business, to your life, whatever area you need to. I just hope you take this value and run with it, whatever you need to. All right. So let's get to it. Stage 1, pre-contemplation stage. Now this is the stage of unawareness. You like, I ain't got no problem with this. I'm good. I don't need to change. I'm straight. I'm cool. You could be there for a long time and not aware of a problem that you need to change. And that would really be hurtful, right? A lot of you, if you're in this group, you're not here because you're in a fitness group. You already know what we're doing. We taking action. All right. So don't worry if you're in that stage, because you can get to stage 2 very quickly. All you have to do is become aware of the problem. Now you're saying, wow, this is a bad behavior and I need to change it, right? When you accept that in your mind, stage 3, I'm getting a little ahead of myself. When you start to accept that in your mind, your brain is going to start to create new thoughts and new processes for you to change that behavior, okay? So first it starts with becoming aware of it, stage 2, and then stage 3, now you're working on creating new plans and starting to prepare yourself to change this behavior, right? And the key here is accepting that you need to change it, all right? So make that exception with yourself. I accept that I need to change this behavior. You have this behavior and I need to accept it, okay? Now, when you got your plans ready, you're prepared, you're ready to take some action on this new plan, now we get to stage 4, the action stage. Now, this obviously is key. We talk about a lot of action in this group, but here's what I want you to take away from this. In the action stage, you have to actively engage in the new behavior. Okay, let me run that back. Actively engage in the new behavior, meaning you actively taking action on whatever new behavior change it is. So whether it's a new eating habit, whether it's a new workout routine, anything like that, you have to continue to take action day to day, week to week, month to month, for a very, very long time to see a new behavior change, okay? So a lot of people get stuck in this action stage. This happened to me where, you know, I work out for like a month or 2 months. I'm like feeling good, feeling nice. I'm like, okay, yeah, cool. I'll just cool for now. That means you hop back down to preparation stage, because now you got to create a new plan for those actions that you fell off of, right? You didn't have a clear insight of what this behavior was going to change to. You thought you was going to have a quick fix and be good, and you just relax, because that's not changing the behavior. That's just changing a few things you do in a couple months. All right, so action stage, actively engage in the new behavior. Once you've actively engaged in new behavior to be successful in it, now you're in the maintenance stage. So the maintenance stage is now you're just fine-tuning your process and your plan of action, and you maintain the successful change of this behavior. That's a great place to get to, okay? Because then once you get there for long enough, you can start to hit stage 6, where you've terminated the negative behavior. The negative behavior has been eliminated. You are taking action every single day on this new behavior. It's been implanted in your brain, and it's like autopilot now. You just going, okay? So that's the 6 stages. And the key that I want you guys to take away with, to make sure that when you get to the action stage and you don't fall off, is commit. You gotta commit. You have to decide in your mind that this is going to change, right? At first, you were aware of the problem. Or first you were unaware. Then you became aware. Then you decided and accepted that you needed to change it. Now you have to commit to the action of your plan. Then you gotta maintain that plan, and then it'll be terminated. All right, so run yourself through that 6 frame. Pick a behavior you want to change, maybe today, maybe this month, and figure out what stage you're in and how can you get to the next one. how can you get to the next one? How can you keep going and progressing in this one? Because a lot of us are in that action stage, and then we're not seeing the results that we want and maintain, okay? So actively engage. You got this, all right? And again, if you need help creating a plan for you to be successful long term, I'm happy to help you. Anytime, hit me up, let me know, shoot me a message, and I'll be happy to get you guys on track, whatever plan you need, okay? Got you, let's go. Y'all take care.